There are 9 pressing questions I keep hearing about NordPass, and today I'm answering all of them. Get ready for the NordPass Review 2026, which we will debut with the most important question. What is NordPass? The answer is short. It's a password manager developed by the people behind NordVPN and other Nord security products. With experience in cybersecurity app development, it's no surprise that NordPass holds a reputation for being a highly secure password manager, capable of safeguarding not only passwords, but also credit card information, notes, and more. But this reputation doesn't seem to stop users from asking, is NordPass safe? Now, while safety can be subjective, NordPass definitely offers enough to satisfy even staunch skeptics. To start with, it utilizes end-to-end encryption, keeping all saved passwords and other data protected as it travels between your device and NordPass servers. This is not just any encryption either. This encryption algorithm in play here is one of the strongest that we have today. Without a decryption code stored on your account, no password can be read by a cybercriminal or even a NordPass employee, which is the core of the zero-knowledge architecture. Providers are quick to promise privacy, but all these promises are verified by independent audits. So with these audits under its belt, NordPass has verified that it's not only following the key industry principles of security and privacy, but is also consistent with them. Now, that doesn't just mean that NordPass protects data on its side. It also means that it has features that make it harder to access your account, even with the correct credentials. With multi-factor authentication, third parties won't be able to access your account without your phone, biometric data, or another method of your choosing. Now, the next question people keep asking, despite NordPass's low price, is how do I get a NordPass discount? Well, trying to get the most value for your money is natural, and to help you out, I've found the best NordPass deal available. Just check the link in the description or scan this QR code for the best deal. Discount code is already applied. Now, moving on with another popular question, how does NordPass work? NordPass keeps your passwords secure by locking them in encrypted vaults within the app on your device. And I mean any device. You can get an app for Windows, macOS, iOS, or Android, whatever you like the most. You can also use a browser extension. This is especially useful if you want to use autofill and avoid manually copy and pasting passwords and logins. To start with NordPass, you can add passwords manually or import them from elsewhere, for instance, from Google Password Manager. And if you're creating a new account, the password generator is going to help you create a strong and unique password. Now, while those features are really the crux of NordPass's work process, there are also extra features that add more security and convenience. For instance, Password Health monitors your passwords and alerts you to weak or old or repeating ones. The Data Breach Scanner also monitors for any data breaches that contain your information. Email masking is also interesting. This feature allows me to use fake emails instead of my personal ones so that my accounts can't be traced back to me. Although I can currently only create masks for the email address that I used for my NordPass login. Developers are considering changing that. So keeping passwords safe is clearly something that NordPass is good at, but does NordPassword allow password sharing? Can you send your secure data to someone that you trust without using unsafe messenger apps? Yes, it does. First of all, NordPass has built-in password sharing for family plan members, so it's easy to share with your family, but of course, sometimes you got to send passwords to someone else. In that case, the answer is not in the app, but on the NordPass website. The password sharer allows you to package any password or message into a secure link that is only valid for 24 hours or until it's read by the person that you share it with. So Password Sharer is free for anyone to use, but that's not the only free deal. NordPass has a free version, so of course, our next question is NordPass's free plan enough? To be honest, the free plan provides far from the best password manager experience. Sure, it retains some of the features intact. Still, without password health, data breach monitoring, and emergency access, it's not impossible to lose your entire vault if you forgot your password. Now, that said, upgrading to a premium version is not that expensive. NordPass is one of the most affordable password managers in 2026. Personally, I've not regretted getting the premium plan. And if you want to try it as well, I've left the best discount deals for NordPass in the description below. You can also access the deal page directly through this QR code. The next question is more universal than just about NordPass. How do passkeys work? Passkeys are a passwordless login method. Essentially, the website requests your personal verification through device-specific methods, such as biometric verification, a face scan, or device PIN, instead of relying on a login and password. This makes Passkeys resistant to phishing attacks and enhances overall security. Yeah, considering every passkey is unique, you're not going to have to worry about reusing them. NordPass fully supports passkeys, and you can generate a passkey in one click as long as the website supports them as well. And you can see which passwords can be replaced right here in the NordPass app. Now, while all NordPass data is kept securely in the cloud, this does raise another question. Does NordPass work offline? And the answer is yes. It's still possible to log into the app and access all the saved data offline, as long as it's not your first login on the device. All the changes made offline will also be saved online as soon as you reconnect to the internet. Now, one of the most requested features in most password managers is support of time-based one-time password, or TOTP. So does NordPass support them? Well, yes and no. Currently, only the business plan allows storing 2FA codes in the app, with implementation for the personal app only in the roadmap for now. That said, it's a highly requested feature, so NordPass may roll it out very soon, and it is nice to see that developers listen to user requests. So those were the most pressing questions users had about NordPass. Remember that after this NordPass review, you can grab the best NordPass deal in the description below to save on any plan you pick. If you're still wondering, should I use a password manager or have any other questions in mind, let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe online and stay tuned for more cybersecurity reviews and comparisons. Bye.